Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can create a sub-page for your page in Notion. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Notion, and here you want to choose like whatever, like I have like days in the week. I'm from Slovakia, so this is like translated to Slovak language, or like I have the getting started here. So I'll just click the button, quickly add a page inside. And here I can go with the empty with icon template or import or database, and I will create, I don't know, I will just write here like add text. Once free, I can change the whatever, and then I can click here and I got the sub page in Notion. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.